everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to make beef lo mein. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Honestly, if I'm having meals like lo mein, fried rice, and other types of stir fry, it's probably because I'm cleaning out my fridge and getting rid of vegetables. I just toss a bunch of things together and hope for the best. Feel free to add any other sorts of vegetables such as cabbage, bell peppers, whatever your heart desires. Oh, other proteins work too, such as chicken, pork, or shrimp. Make sure to always wash your vegetables and mushrooms before chopping. I know it's not recommended to wash mushrooms because they absorb too much water, but I always do it anyways. This is just the way I like to chop my vegetables. Feel free to chop them however you'd like. I like to chop my green onions at an angle. Same goes with my ginger. And don't forget to peel your carrots. If you don't wear contacts, I have no idea how you chop onions without crying. Or do you just suffer through it? I have some thinly sliced beef here. I'm marinating the beef in oyster sauce, sugar, sweet dark soy sauce, garlic, and ginger. Let's get real friendly and mix with our hands. This is my first time using this type of lo mein. I typically use the dried ones, but these are much better. You can find them in the freezer section at the Asian stores. I only used half a pack and stored the other half for a later date. Follow the instructions on the back of the label. I'm reserving some of this hot water to make chicken stock in order to add it to the lo mein later. Once 5 minutes has passed, strain and rinse the noodles under cold water. I cut mine with scissors because they were super long. Now let's get the wok nice and hot. I always do the hover my hand over the wok test to ensure that it's hot before adding my protein. This really helps prevent sticking. If you're wondering where I got this wok, a company sent it to me, but they're no longer selling this wok. Sorry. It's okay. It has a rounded bottom and not ideal for a kitchen stove anyways. By the way, I like to spread my protein along the edges of the wok as much as possible to help with even cooking. Now you'll want to add your heartiest vegetable to the pan first. That's why I say with the carrots. They take the longest to cook. The mushrooms and white onions should take about the same amount of time. And then now it's time to add the noodles. The chicken broth. Now I'm adding a tablespoon of cornstarch water to help thicken the sauce. Do not add cornstarch directly into the pan. It'll clump up. After about 30 seconds, turn off the heat. I like to add the green onions at the very end, just allowing it to cook with the residual heat from the noodles. Oh, and I'm adding lemon zest because it's delicious, and it just adds that extra oomph of flavor. Keeping with the Chinese takeout theme, I also have these homemade dumplings that I like to make in bulk and store in my freezer. Let me know if you'd like to see a video of me making these. By the way, if you're wondering, I got this bamboo steamer at my favorite store, Aldi, for $6. It's a double steamer and awesome. Now, let me show you how to make a quick, in a pinch dumpling sauce. It's super simple. Add soy sauce, spoon of sugar, spoon of white vinegar, and 3 spoons of water. Microwave for 20 seconds to warm it up in order to help dissolve the sugar. Then finally grate or chop ginger and garlic. I love my zester. It has been quite handy. Finish it off with chopped green onions. And you can add hot chili oil too if your heart desires so. Now the dumplings are ready, so it's time to eat. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hope you've enjoyed this and enjoy seeing Tao eat his heart out. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content.
Hello. Smells good. Beef Lomein. What's the secret ingredient?
Love.
Need my spicy chili oil.